very good afternoon again. How are we doing? And welcome back to the channel. Now then, something slightly different again. We're doing a roadway up. It's a absolute nightmare of a roadway because no one owns it. The council don't want to know about it, and for one, I live down there, and two, we've got to go down there with the tractors and trailers and stuff like that. So we've got 2 piles of track ballast, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm tipping on the road and levelling out, and Dad is also down there while we've got the mini digger levelling it out as well, doing a grand job again. He's pretty good on that digger. Don't tell him I said that. Now then, this is what we're dealing with. This is what we got. Nice thick track ballast. We did use road planings, but the amount of cars that go down there, different pieces, different. Try that again. The amount of cars that go down there, and lorries and tractors and trailers and stuff like that. Road planing's just, you know, as you go down there, they just come out the holes. Hopefully this will stay in and do the job. Now then, previously this road, it was all gravel. Then us and the neighbour put tarmac on it, which was probably the worst decision we made, because obviously this sort of land breaks away, there's no bottom to it, you get holes, you get potholes, and then it just turned into absolute pothole city. And when I mean pothole city, I mean filled with potholes. I should have took a before picture and after picture, I suppose, but I didn't. Anyway, most of our fields are down this track, so why not do it up? Spend a bit of time, spend a day doing it up, make it a bit better for us, especially travelling with narrow wheels on as well when we come to put them on the tractor. Yeah, it's a nightmare, but that's what we're on at the moment. A bit different to jetting, but it's a lovely January day. That's a lie, it's February the 1st. I just can't keep track of time. Who else can't keep track of time? January has gone so quick. It's February. Sort of grading the stone back as best as I can with the bucket, and then Dad's just fine tuning it with a digger. But while we're here, I don't know whether you can see that field of wheat after peas, absolutely fantastic, drilled with a Lemkin, and that over there drilled with a combination, that's absolutely fantastic as well. That's after sugar beet. The wheats are looking good, and obviously the only bad bit is behind the yard, but that's sort of starting to till her out, and that's looking all right now. before you say, I probably know what you're thinking. Well, why don't you put something on the back of a tractor and scrape it out? Well, we were going to, but we ain't had time to make something up. So it's a teleporter bucket job, and while we've got the digger, we'll use the digger really. We'll make something up to sort of bring the sides in, because that's where all this track ballast is going to go. It'll just go to the sides and we'll eventually lose it, but we need something to scrape it back in, so we'll probably make something out of some RSJ, a bit of steel or something, and put it on the back of the tractor and just go slowly up and down the road and drag it in the holes. But I've got something a bit more exciting for you next video, hopefully. Yeah, there's something special coming up. We hope anyway. It's just in the balance of what we're going to do. Oh, that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. Who knows? Stay tuned, keep watching. Got the old 6.6 off the generator. Thought we'd give it a spin out. Right, so just oh, for God's sake. Right, so just going to put a banger up on the Aussie Ray. She's had a bit of havoc with the pigeons. You can see they've ate it right back down to there in this whole section. We've also had the odd car driving on here, as you can see. Just what you need. You get all sorts around here. Police don't want to know, but she's still there. I'm wondering next week if we can put some nitrogen on her, just to give her a bit of a boost. Here's one of the worst bits. You know, she was up here. They've ate it right back. As long as that bud in the middle there is still there, it should be alright. But just hang this banger. Anyone put down in the comments what we should call him. I want names, and I shall write the names on it. That's Dad's banger rope design. Looks like a person. Hang the banger rope in. Bam, she goes off. It should all look like this. Plenty of leaf on. But the pigeons just sit in that tree line over there. Just drop down. You know, you go and do what you can. Put a gas gun up, that'll just get pinched. So shoot them and put bangers up really. But let's hope with a bit of nitrogen she'll pull through and we'll get a good crop. Back to the road. I'm just going to put the radio on. 1 second. Yeah. Oh, I hate it when it does that. It's always done it. So we're in the 6640. We're halfway down this road now. It's getting nearer 4 o'clock in the day. I'm just going to go back and put a quality piece of equipment on the back. You'll see in a minute. Yes. What a piece of equipment. We do try and do the job properly here. Proper job. Anyway, has anyone thought of any names yet for the old scarecrow? The banger scarecrow? How about Martin Clune? It's made out of tin. Get it? Right, that's enough of that roller. I'm going to end the video here. Not much to it. Just doing this road up, really. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Something special next. I hope, anyway. So stay tuned. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later. Ta.
Oh, see you later, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching.